Hi, I'm Teresa.
And I'm Jeffrey. And together, we're from Team Sera from the University of Waterloo in Canada. We're from the Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering Department, and we're from the Orthotron Lab and the Active Interactive Robotics Lab. Together, we're combining our surgical orthopedic skills and our collaborative robotics skills to tackle this challenge this year at the KUKA Innovation Award.
Our project is called Sera. Sera stands for Surgical Environment Robotic Assistant. The most commonly used surgical robotic arms in the industry are currently used for one task, such as bone drilling or bone cutting. The aim of Sera is to allow surgeons to be able to create workflows that can allow them to work with the same robot across different types of surgeries within orthopedics. This allows for optimized workflows to be created and allows the economic burden of buying an expensive tool to be reduced.
So we applied for this award because we wanted to start a new surgical robotics collaboration between our two labs. So we're going to start a project on surgical orthopedics using collaborative robotics using the LVR Med. And using this and the NDI camera, we can really accelerate our research into the field of surgical robotics. And with the expertise of KUKA and NDI together, we can really accelerate our research and innovate with all the tools that you guys can provide with us.
Our team is looking beyond the current capabilities of surgical robots in the operating room and thinking towards the future of collaborative robots in medicine. By combining both our team's expertise in collaborative robots and surgical robotics, we're looking towards a future where collaborative robots can be used for cross-surgical functionality within orthopedics. We're looking at how to innovate our project now to think about how the market is turning towards to allow this robot to fit well into the market in the future.